The hifold booster seat folds into a compact size for portability and easy storage. Start by removing the vehicle seat from the lap belt guides and the shoulder belt guide. To remove the shoulder belt from the shoulder belt guides, first slide the seat belt behind the red slot cover and then remove the belt entirely through the slot on the underside of the headrest. For the most compact folding size, first you should fold all of the sides into their narrowest settings and then the headrest to the minimum. Now fold in the seat back sides. Press the button on the seat back side fold lock while pressing down on the seat back side fold lock. This allows you to rotate the seat back side into the center, then repeat this on the opposite side. Fold the seat back down by lifting the seat back fold lock. This allows you to rotate the seat back forward and down inside the seat bottom. To fold back the headrest, pinch the headrest tabs together and rotate the headrest backwards. Finally, you fold in the headrest sides by pressing the headrest side fold locks and rotating the headrest sides into the center on both sides. The storage straps can be brought up and over the top of the folded headrest sides and the buckle fastened. This will keep the hifold booster compact and allow you to carry the booster.